Mechanics bank on you not knowing this simple P0430 fix, so they can charge you $2,000 for nothing. Your catalytic converter might not be broken, but this $50 part is tricking your car into thinking it is. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel where we make car care simple, fun and stress-free. Today we are tackling a common check engine light issue, the P0430 error code. If you have seen this code pop up, it means your car's computer thinks the catalytic converter on bank 2 isn't working efficiently. So let's get started. What is a P0430 code? The P0430 code signifies that the vehicle's computer has detected a problem with the catalytic converter on the second bank of cylinders, bank 2. Can I drive with a P0430 code? Yes, you can drive with a P0430 code, but it's recommended to address the issue soon. Possible symptoms of a P0430 code: an illuminated check engine light, reduced fuel efficiency, decreased engine power, a sulfur or rotten egg smell from the exhaust, potentially a failed emissions test. Possible causes of a P0430 code: damaged catalytic converter, exhaust system leaks, faulty oxygen sensor, dirty or clogged catalytic converter. Here are simple 3 methods to fix P0430 code. Method A: catalytic converter cleaner. Get a catalytic converter cleaner. Simply pour into the gas tank. Run the engine 2500 RPM for 30 minutes. Method B: wash the catalytic converter. Remove the catalytic converter. Carefully detach it from your vehicle. Prepare a cleaning solution. Fill a bucket with detergent and water, mixing until it foams. Soak the converter. Submerge the catalytic converter in the solution and let it soak for 10 hours to loosen built-up residue. Inspect the honeycomb structure. Check inside the converter for small honeycomb shapes, ensuring they are clean and free of debris. Method C: modify the oxygen sensor. Remove the oxygen sensor. Carefully detach it from the catalytic converter. Add a gap between the sensor and the converter. Prepare the adapter. Get a spark plug non-fouler, then use a 1/2-inch drill to modify it for a better fit. Refit the component, secure the sensor into the modified spark plug non-fouler, ensuring proper placement. Reinstall the sensor. Put the assembled components back into the catalytic converter. To avoid future P0430 codes, make sure to fix engine misfires ASAP. Use good quality fuel. Keep up with oil changes. Avoid short trips that don't let the cat heat up properly. And that's how you diagnose and fix a P0430 code. If it did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this. See you in the next video.